The automatic response if you were late for school was to go to your dean office to get a late pass. And as I observed in the school on several occasions, I sat in these deans' office in the morning as they were going to get their late pass. And as they all sat in the line to get their late pass with their Dunkin' Donuts coffees, all right, something came to mind that this was working quite well for the children, but it wasn't working well for the school. And so they changed the rule based on their data, and they said if you come in late, you go directly to your first period class. Your first period class will generate a late tag, and that administrator will get to you at a different time if it's been more than 3 tardies. And that just stopped. And so what happened is kids are coming in going, what do you mean, we don't go to the office anymore? No, you go right to class. And if the function of your behavior was to avoid your first period class and go get coffee, then it was working for you. So we have to make sure it wasn't working for them. So we changed the system. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.